In a vast, verdant forest, nestled within the heart of the woodland, there lived a humble grosbeak. Known for its vibrant red breast and melodious song, the grosbeak was a joy to behold. One day, the grosbeak noticed a dilapidated nest, once home to a family of sparrows, but now empty and neglected. Feeling compassion, the grosbeak decided to rebuild the nest, hoping to provide a new home for the next generation of sparrows. However, as the grosbeak worked tirelessly to construct a new nest, the other birds in the forest mocked his efforts. "Why waste your time on such a small and insignificant bird?" they jeered. "The sparrows are common and unremarkable, they do not deserve your help." When the sparrows returned to find their new nest, they were overjoyed. They sang a song of gratitude to the grosbeak, a melody that echoed through the forest. The grosbeak listened, his heart swelling with joy. In the days that followed, the grosbeak continued to live his life, singing his song and tending to his own nest. But he never forgot the sparrows, and often visited to listen to their song of gratitude. The grosbeak's tale serves as a reminder that even the smallest act of kindness can have a profound impact. It shows us that compassion knows no bounds, and that even the most seemingly insignificant creatures deserve our help and understanding. In the end, the grosbeak's story teaches us to be kind, to be patient, and to always strive to make a positive difference in the world, no matter how small. For it is in these small acts that we find our greatest rewards.